again, Scott Twomey here at the OCP event here in Europe, in Dublin. For this show, we're showcasing a combination of the recent acquisition of JetCool and Flex. What we have here on display are some of our reference platforms that our Flex design teams have put together in collaborations with customers around the world, and now integrating in the JetCool liquid cooling technology into some of the different platforms, as well as the announcement of the general availability of JetCool's new CDU, which can cool up to 300 kilowatts in a 6U form factor. The ability of Flex and JetCool to come together and leverage the scale and technologies that we have is enabling our customers to take these reference platforms that are maybe 80% of what they need in a design solution and enable us to do that last little bit of customization, where we're now also integrating JetCool's leading edge liquid cooled technology and operate that at scale. So our ability to bring mechanicals, PCBA, liquid cooling together up into a fully configured rack and build that at scale anywhere in the world with our factories here at Flex. So again, stop by the booth where we can showcase a full end-to-end liquid cooled solution from JetCool, smart plates all the way through to CDUs, and a fully configured rack that Flex can provide.